Good morning, everybody. So we're going to go on another shape hunt today, but we're going to go on a hunt for some new shapes. So I'm going to show you some triangles, and you learned about triangles in kindergarten, but I'm going to show you some triangles, and I want you to think about what you notice about the triangles. So I have a lot of triangles here that I can show you. Lots of different sizes of triangles. Some of them look a little different than others. So what do you notice about all of these triangles? Well, when we talked about squares and rectangles, we counted how many sides the shape had. So let's count to see how many sides a triangle has. 1, 2, 3. So we know that triangles have 3 sides. Okay. How many corners does a triangle have? Let's use this big triangle to help us look at the corners. Well, I see 1 corner here, 2, 3. So we also know that triangles have 3 corners. Now for some triangles, the corners don't all look the same. So for a triangle like this, the corners look the same. But what about a triangle that looks like this? Are the corners the same? These look like they're small corners. And this is a special kind of corner that we've already talked about. It's called a square corner. So some triangles, like this one, have a square corner. So if I draw that triangle, this corner, I can make a square on the inside. Now triangles, some triangles don't have any square corners. Some triangles have 1 square corner, and they only ever have 1 square corner. And so this is a triangle with a square corner. This is a triangle without a square corner. So some triangles, all of the sides are the same length, like this one. Some triangles, 2 sides are the same length, like this one. And in some triangles, no sides are the same length. So it doesn't matter if the sides are the same length as long as your triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. And sometimes a triangle might even have a square corner. Now there's one more thing that a triangle has to be. Is that a triangle? Why not? Oh, see, it's open. If I keep an animal in there, he's going to be able to crawl out. So a triangle also has to be closed. So 3 sides, 3 corners, and closed. So if I have this, we know that that's a triangle. What if I flipped it that way? Is it still a triangle? 1, 2, 3 corners, 1, 2, 3 sides. So position does not matter. So I can have my triangle like this, or 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 like this, and it's still a triangle, no matter which way I flip it, because it has 3 sides, 3 corners, and it's closed, okay? What if I took this triangle and colored it purple? Would it still be a triangle? Yep, color doesn't matter. It has 3 sides, 3 corners, and it's closed. So I went on a shape hunt around my house, and I had a hard time finding things that were shaped like triangles in my house, but I did find a few things. I found an earring. Let's see. 1, 2, 3 sides. 1, 2, 3 corners. And this is a triangle where all of the sides are the same length. I also found a clothes hanger. So this part of a clothes hanger is kind of like a triangle. 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 corners. And then the last thing I found was the side of something in my pantry. This is going to be a cheese ball. But when I look at the side, this side is a triangle. 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 corners. So I would like you to go on a shape hunt around your house. See if you can find anything that's shaped like a triangle. I found one more thing that's kind of shaped like a triangle. It has 3 sides, but the corners are kind of rounded. This is a guitar pick. This is what Mr. K uses when he plays his guitar. And so this is kind of shaped like a triangle, but it doesn't have the corners that a triangle would really need, but it does have 3 sides. So I can't wait to see what you find when you go on a shape hunt for some triangles at your house. So the other shape we're going to talk about today is a circle. And we all know what a circle looks like. We know that a circle doesn't have any sides or any corners. We know that it's a round shape. So we know that circles are round. There are no corners. But we do know that a circle has to be closed. And for this circle that I have, I used 2 half circles. We've talked about half circles because we get into a half circle shape when we do math sometimes, when I say we're going to get in a rainbow. But if you put 2 halves of a circle together, it makes 1 circle. So we know that a circle is round, no corners, and it's closed. So something that makes a circle different from a shape like an oval is that if I were to measure from the top of the circle to the bottom of the circle, and then if I were to measure from this side of the circle to this side of the circle, that would be the same length. So the top and the bottom is the same length as side to side is a circle. So we know they're closed, 0 corners, and they are round. So I went on a shape hunt around my house. I found a lot of things that are shaped like circles. So I found the top of one of my face wash. That is a circle. I found some coins. And we've been learning about coins. We're going to start learning about coins again in a couple weeks. I found a quarter. How much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. It is a circle. I found a dime. How much is a dime worth? 10 cents. I found a nickel worth 5 cents and a penny worth 1 cent. All of those are circles. The top of my push pin jar is a circle. I found this in the kitchen. We use it when we're frying things. This is a circle. It is closed. It's round with no sides and no corners. And then I also found, is this a circle? No. What shape is this? This is a rectangle because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. What kind of corners? Square corners. Good. And 2 of the sides are long and 2 of the sides are short. But inside, I have my Tangled DVD. which is a circle. So I found a lot of things at my house that are shaped like circles. What can you find at your house that's shaped like a circle? So I want you to go on a shape hunt around your house. And I want you to try to find one thing that's shaped like a triangle and take a picture, and one thing that's shaped like a circle and take a picture. And you can post your picture on Seesaw. Have a great day, friends.